Curry way downtown. Bang! Steph Curry from just inside half court.
Greetings, everyone. I know these are happening pretty regularly, so I do have to thank everybody for tuning in. I will never not appreciate that. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. But anyways, let's get right into today's review. Over the weekend, these had a really good showing. I am, of course, talking about the Under Armour Curry 8 Beautiful Flow. Over the weekend, we saw Steph Curry wearing the Curry 8 Beautiful Flow / Black History Month for the second time in a row. And he actually had a phenomenal game in these. 57 points put up, and it looked like he was about to break the three-point record, but things did kind of slow down, and and they didn't even get the win in this game. So this sneaker is a collaboration between Stephen Curry, of course, and Baltimore visual artist Devin Allen. I'm all about the collaborations. I think this sneaker is kind of perfect for collaborations. Under Armour has been so consistent with putting out different pairs of the Curry 8 that it only makes sense to reach out to different artists and let them put their own spin on the sneaker. And I think Devin Allen nailed this colorway. It's simple. You have your black base, and then there's some accented colors in there, like the gray on this faux suede, and you have that red lining. On the shoebox for the Curry 8 Beautiful Flow, it does say BHM, Black History Month. And this is, of course, being marketed as a Black History Month sneaker, which makes me wonder, the way that Curry brand has been releasing, they're putting out shoes almost every week. If this is the Black History Month release, does that mean that this is the only release for the month? I mean, I want to see more colorways, but my pockets would definitely take just one release for the month. And I think this is a really good release. Immediately, this is one of my favorite releases. I'll let you know exactly where this falls on the list. But first, let's look at the features on the Curry 8 Beautiful Flow. The Curry 8 has this very nice quality knit going all around the base, extending up towards the ankle where you have this sock-like liner. You have a neoprene lining with the lace loops coming out, and maybe my favorite laces so far. I just think this design on the laces is so cool. It's subtle, but it makes me think of like pajama pants. On the sides, you have this gray faux suede extending all the way towards the back from the front, and you do have that gray Curry brand logo, again, just like you knock down a three-pointer in a game. A really nice accent over that suede is that peach or orange or light red lining. I can't really tell what color that is, but it looks really good. It's almost like a highlighted orange, maybe. I'm saying like every color. At the back of the sneaker, you have this black plastic plate displaying 3 out of 5 stars because Steph Curry was, you've heard it a million times, a 3-star recruit. Now there's 2 pull tabs on the sneaker to help you get your foot inside. At the front, the black pull tab with the gray Curry brand logo on there. And on the back pull tab, I'm not even really sure what that logo or design is. If someone knows what that design is, leave a comment and let me know. And of course, as you guys probably know at this point, the main feature on the Curry 8 is the sole. Under Armour, using that flow technology, has put such an intricate design in the sole of this sneaker. I would love to see Under Armour introduce some sort of game on their website or on the app where they turn the Curry 8 sole into a maze, and you have to like direct Steph Curry out of this. Look how intricate this is, how many little dips there are. The design is just all over the place. So it would be really hard to get around in a maze that looked like this. The reason for all the grooves in the sole on this sneaker is to create better traction for Steph Curry when he's playing. The technology allows you to stop on a dime much more efficiently. You're able to turn and move easier. You have much less of a chance of slipping because there is so much grip on the Curry 8. Alright, now that we've gone over the features of the Curry 8, let's put these on feet and see what they feel like.
Buy that man shoes, or let that man loose. Worst come to worst, let that man choose. Oh, hell yeah. It can be the cherry on top, but it can be what's in the box. It was my birthday, as I recall. You came through empty-handed, bought yourself lingerie.
Such an easy, cozy feel to the Curry 8. I always say it feels like just a running shoe. It's really lightweight and honestly doesn't even feel like a basketball shoe. Yup. In terms of sizing with the Curry 8, I always go true to size, and I feel like it has a nice, snug but not too tight fit. I find that going true to size gives me the right fit that I would want when playing basketball. You don't really want a shoe that's loose and has you just sliding all around in there like that kid in the meme. I would say though, if you do have a wider foot, you may want to go up at least half a size. And if you do have a chance, maybe stop into an Under Armour store and try them on foot so that you can get the exact size that you need. So I mentioned that this was a simple but effective colorway pulled off by Curry Brand and Devin Allen. You have your crazy bright colorways. You have your Feel Good Flow, which is a dark colorway that incorporates that sort of rainbow design. And this just feels like a more standard colorway for a basketball shoe. Essentially, I'm calling this colorway basic, but basic can be good. And that is why I would have to say this is my second favorite colorway for the Curry 8 behind the Chinese New Year. One cool thing about this release is the wrapping paper inside the shoebox. You get to see a lot of images of Curry just interacting with his fans at camps and his charities. Alright, so we've checked out the Curry 8 Beautiful Flow Black History Month. Let me know if I'm crazy for having this colorway as my second favorite so far, and let me know if you were able to pick up a pair for yourself. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning into the channel. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment Draymond below. As always, I appreciate you guys, and see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, that was so weak.